Hi everyone, in this video we learn how to create, approve and send purchase order. These are formal documents that are sent to vendors to confirm an approved purchase. This is the heart and the core of the purchasing workflow in the iExcel core. We'll move to purchase, and on purchase we'll have purchase order. So all the purchase orders that are issued will be under this tab. And to just give out a new purchase order, we'll link and say new for purposes of creating a new purchase order. So purchase order description, we can put a description and say, or we can put the laptops that we requested for initially, and the currency is there, and the vendor we want, the purchase order number, and the purchase requisition that we already drafted or has already been approved will be. We can put the order date as today's date, and then the estimate that we issued for that particular product that we required was estimates. Anytime you pick an estimate, or it will give you items that are tied to that particular vendor, so you do not have to estimate is. If there was a department, we would have picked the department here. If it was tied to a particular customer for a particular sales invoice, the system allows us to do the same. It's a CapEx items, numbers of days that you owed, when we expect the delivery, if there's any discount or any tax. We have the items, the description is a laptop, if the unit is 324,000. And then once we have done the same, looking at the shipping information, general information, what we do is we save that purchase order. That is a purchase order that has been raised. And once the purchase order has been raised, we can finally, or we can send that for approval. Remember, if you've not watched how to set approvals for the purchase flows, watch earlier videos on the settings. Once the purchase order is set, we can have that approved. And if there's any reason you have why you do not want to approve, you can say the reason why you're not approving and deny the approval, or we can approve that. Once it's approved, it's marked approved, and the order is fully set and fully done for sending to the client. You just click on this link, the vendor and the purchase, you can attach as the purchase order PDF, and then we send it to the client. The client will receive the purchase order for them to start working on that particular purchase order, or for the delivery. And change the status to draft, rejected or cancelled, but once it's been approved, the same process has to be undergo, so it has to go to the same approvals who have to do the same process. So under purchase order status will be approved, and delivery status and delivered. That means we have not received the goods from the client, and we can convert it to an expense. On the dashboard, we'll be able to see the items under purchase. We'll see the purchase order number, we'll see the summary, we'll see the undelivered status of that particular item. With that, we've created a purchase order. We've ensured everything is in tandem as per the requisition that we have received. That marks, after that, we've done on the purchase order. Our next video, we're going to look at invoices. Thank you for watching this video. We'll see you in the next video.